Hello, I'm very happy and proud to be with you at drinktec to show you our canning glass innovation. We have a long experience, and thanks to our customer listening, we are able to answer to their sustainability, flexibility and quality requirements. So this year we have three major innovations: the EvoFILL can compact, the counterflow pasteurizer swing Evo, and also our bottle washer with ultrasound application. But Lorenzo will tell us more regarding those innovations.
Thanks, Philippe. Yesterday was a so busy day, even no time to drink water. Customers are so interested in understanding the details of the innovation that you mentioned. So, an example, Hydra Ultrasonic bottle washer, to understand the mechanical effect that allow the customer to reduce the temperature of the caustic bath and to reduce the immersion time. So in the end, you can imagine for sustainability, for energy consumption, and also for the water consumption to cool down the bottle, the innovation. Swing Pasteuriser is the best one, recognized by customer as the one that control the quality of the product, that saves steam and water. This Swing Evo is, with the counterflow concept, allows a further reduction in energy consumption, so electricity, minus 30-35%. And finally, EvoFILL can compact for customers who are looking to flexibility, to low speed, but with a wide range of product and a wide range of can. All of them were really attracting the people and the customers, so really good day.